I'm Mike Losum, and this is the Cold Hard Truth. Tonight, is healthcare making us sick? Some of the presidential candidates seem to think so, and a few have even proposed universal health care. Here to help us sort it all out, Joe Salander, the Deputy Chief of the Department of Health and Human Services and Chairman of Health Sciences at Johns Hopkins University. Joe, that is an impressive resume. Thanks for joining us here tonight.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here, as always.
And Monica Callum, a regular truth teller here on the Cold Hard Truth. Monica, great to see you as always.
Mike, great to be back as always.
All right, let's get right to it. My doorman Jose thinks we should lower the cost of healthcare. Any thoughts?
Absolutely not. Mike, this high price is effective. These sniveling S-chip kids and auto workers think they're entitled to healthcare, but somebody else should pay for it. They're always poor me, save me, help me.
Monica, you are so right. That's all you hear from the poverty-controlled media. Tell us, why is the high price of healthcare actually effective?
It increases productivity.
We like that.
You bet we do. If those people want health insurance, they're going to have to work harder to afford it.
Damn right, and we have become a lazy country here in America.
I'm sorry, Mike. If people are...
Joe, hold up a second. Monica's solving the problem. You're going to get your chance.
Thanks, Mike. More time working means less time in the doctor's office and even getting sick at all.
Now that is efficient. But how do we get those people to work harder for healthcare?
Politics, of course. President Bush should do away with child labor laws.
Excuse me? I'm sorry. If we do away with child labor laws...
In a second, Joe. What else, Monica?
Children worked in the 19th century, and that's when America's economy was really growing.
Joe, Monica's got a great point here. China's kids are working, and they're an economic superpower.
I totally trust China. You know their ancient Chinese secret. You can always make more kids.
We're never going to run out. Hello, Latinos.
Oh, speaking of Latinos, we need to stop immigration. If we end immigration, we create millions of jobs for all these poor me, healthcare deprived Americans.
Like my doorman, Jose.
Exactly. Also, end overtime pay and paid vacations.
Whoa, Monica, you lost me there. I need my 2 weeks a year in Turks and Caicos.
Oh, Mike, not for us. For kids and workers earning less than 100K.
Ah, those people.
Okay, don't mean to interrupt again. I've got some books and degrees. I just have a simple question for Monica.
Fine, Professor talks a lot. Go ahead.
Thank you. Monica, what about these auto workers who can't afford to or don't want to continue working? I mean, they've put in service. Shouldn't they be rewarded for that?
Oh, I am so glad that you asked that, Joe. Reinstitute the military draft for retirees. They serve their country and then get top-notch care at Walter Reed.
Monica, that is brilliant and efficient. They're going to help themselves and serve their country at the same time.
I'm sorry, these people have already served their country.
I am so sorry. We are running out of time. Monica, thanks so much for bringing such insight
I'm sorry,
to this pressing
I have some
problem.
ideas on this. I've done some research. I've got some numbers. I'd like to discuss this.
Joe, I am so sorry. We are out of time. I really appreciate you coming on. Monica, thanks as always.
Mike, I'm
Thanks
sorry.
for
Can I just point out a couple things?
I'm Mike Lonesome, and that's the Cold Hard Truth. You've been watching the Bottom Line Network, your source for business news.